Now to real-time weather here along the Mag Mile tonight. What a difference 24 hours can make. Winds are much calmer out there tonight, but meteorologist Mary Kay Kleist says rain and possible snow showers are on the way. Mary Kay.
I am tracking that wintry mix, Erica, and that comes our way. This time tomorrow night, we'll start watching south of I-80, and we'll see that whole system move closer to Chicago. But we only expect minor accumulations, if that. I think the storm track itself will pass far enough to the south to carry most of the moisture wrapped into that low pressure center. And then next week, leading into the beginning of the winter season on Tuesday and the holiday week leading into Christmas, dry, quiet weather. Uneventful, really, all of next week. Well, today we did hit 66 degrees and break a record, but that was in the midnight hour. As you know, temperatures fell throughout the afternoon, keeping it cool, and now we're at 34 degrees with clear skies, and our winds are finally under 15 miles per hour. It is 36 in Gary, 33 in Valparaiso, 30 degrees in DeKalb. We have clear skies even at the lakefront, the Loop 34, Lincoln Park 2, and Irving Park 36 degrees right now. So we're between systems. Yesterday's wind maker pushing toward the eastern seaboard. Dry high pressure is in place. That's why we have the clear sky. Soon the winds will relax too. Hour by hour, we'll see those winds die down under 5 miles per hour. So that means with the clear skies and high pressure into control, we're going to be off to a clear, bright start in the morning. 27 for the low temperature. Tomorrow we start with sun and then clouds increasing ahead of that next system. 39 degrees for the daytime high, and then we bring in that chance for a little sleet, rain, and snow. Probably as soon as 10 o'clock, but mainly for areas south of I-80. Then it starts lifting northward as we go through the night, changing over to light flurries or a light snow shower during the day on Saturday. A lot of that favoring the early morning hours. So as we time this system out and look at that area of low pressure by 7 o'clock tomorrow night over southern Missouri, notice the track of it. A lot of the moisture really lying along this boundary here. Areas of low pressure here just kind of churning south of us. So it looks like we will be on the northern fringe of this system as it passes to the south. Then during the day on Saturday, I do think we'll get a little bit of a breeze off the lake, little instability there to give us a few flurries lakeside or a brief snow shower. So Friday morning starting nice and bright in the 20s. Then in the afternoon, those high clouds moving in, still dry for the ride home. It's really later at night when we watch our southern suburbs, seeing that very light precipitation start to move in. Here's 11 o'clock tomorrow night. Again, just brushing areas mainly south of the city as it moves through. And then in the afternoon, that little push of instability off the lake could touch off a few snowflakes for us. Computer models not that excited about this system. Right now, it's giving us at most maybe a 1/10 of an inch at O'Hare, but that's significant just because we've only had a trace of snow so far this season, meaning we haven't had measurable snow yet. And we're long overdue. Measurable snow means 1/10 of an inch or more than that. And we could do it depending on how much cold air and the storm track. So we'll watch for that mix, mainly ending midday Saturday, and then again at the lakefront, a couple of flurries or a snow shower in the afternoon. Clearing out for the second half of the weekend, mostly sunny skies, 32 degrees for the afternoon. So breaking records, we talked about it today with the warmth in the midnight hour. Well, we could do it again for the latest first measurable snowfall ever in Chicago. The old record, December 20th in 2012. So if we don't get that 1/10 of an inch tomorrow night into Saturday, that means we will break this record, because I'm not finding anything of significance after this system. In fact, when we look at the 7-day, look how quiet it is leading into next week. When we look at our precip chances, wow, a whole 30%. And that's for Friday night into Saturday. And as you saw from that storm track, really that low pressure center is going to pass south of us. So I think we're going to miss out on a lot of the moisture content of the system. So any light mixture will end Saturday afternoon. Sunday clearing out for us. A nice bright day holding at the freezing mark. Our normal daytime high is 36. So as we start winter at 9:59 Tuesday morning, warmer than normal and quiet heading into Christmas. Brad, Erica.
Another record in play here. All right. Thank you, Mary Kay.